Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open your Audi Q3 bonnet. First, locate the primary release lever inside your vehicle, typically found on the driver's side near the footwell. Pull this lever firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct click as the bonnet unlatches. The bonnet will then pop up slightly, indicating it's ready for the next step. This initial action prepares the bonnet for full opening. Now move to the front of your Audi Q3. Carefully reach your hand under the front edge of the bonnet, right above the grille. You will feel a secondary safety latch. This latch often needs to be pushed to the side or lifted upwards to fully disengage the bonnet. Once you've manipulated this latch, the bonnet will be completely free to open. With the secondary latch released, gently lift the bonnet upwards until it's fully open. Next, locate the support rod, which is typically clipped into place on either the left or right side of the engine bay. Unclip this rod and firmly insert its end into the designated hole on the underside of the bonnet. This will securely hold the bonnet open while you work. To close the bonnet, first remove the support rod from its hole and secure it back into its clip. Gently lower the bonnet until it's about 12 inches from the closed position. Then, firmly press down on the bonnet, applying even pressure until you hear it click securely into place. Always double-check that it's fully latched before driving. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.